vlog. So it doesn't look like any of the hotels or hostels that I've been to have any laundromat or place where I can put my clothes for wash and dry. So I'm here at a public laundromat. This is where you would pay. They have the washers here and the dryers over here. And I believe these are called Speed Queen. So they have a selection that you can change it to English or any of these other languages. So that's nice. You can buy one of their cards to just more convenient, or you can just pay with cash. And it looks like they have different weights for clothing, 14 kilograms, €6. With the card, it's a little bit cheaper, like 50 euro cheaper, 50 like cent euro cheaper. And then they have the 8 kilogram, €5. And then same on this side for dryer. There's a 16 kilogram versus the 14 kilogram. A little bit different in price. Let's see how long it takes total for it to finish. So I already put all my clothes in there. I don't have much. I only brought a backpack's worth of clothes. And then we're gonna pay. I'm gonna do the washer. And then on number 2, I'm gonna use the card. So I just purchased a card. So let's put in the card. The card looks like this. It's like a blank white card. Okay, total looks like €450. You can even choose to print out a receipt if you like. Alright. You can have the date and time up there. And an email, and then you just click accept. Alright. So here I got a receipt. Shows the place, date, time, and I guess the price. But it doesn't show how much is left on my card. On the back, nope. It just shows the price that I paid. I just have to remember, since this card I put in €20, so I believe that you just do 4.5 minus the 20, so you get about 15.5. Alright, so now let's see what happens. I believe now I can start it. You can choose caliente, which is hot, 40 degrees C. You can even up to 60 degrees C. I think I'll just do cold. Looks like it takes 24 minutes to finish. And I guess the green one to start it. Alright, and right there, jabón incluido. Soap included. Yeah. Alright, there it goes. So in about 24 minutes it should be done, and then I'll put it in the dryer, and then another 10 minutes in the dryer should be done. Alright. Hope you learned something. I did. This was my first time using a public laundromat. It's pretty expensive. And it doesn't seem like anyone else here uses it, so... Or maybe at another time there will be some people, but... pretty expensive, so I wouldn't be surprised that no one really uses it. Hopefully later along my vacation here, stay here, I'll be able to find a laundromat that I can just use without having to pay. Otherwise this is going to rack up a large sum of money. So I'm pretty sure you wouldn't want to just watch this spinning and washing for a whole 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna stop here. The speed this thing's spinning, I'm pretty sure it's dry by now. I don't even know if I need to use the dryer after this. We'll find out once it's done. We got 1 minute left.
All right. So it looks like it does a constant spinning, unlike the washer that spun really fast near the end to dry off the clothes. And it feels, ooh, it's hot, but not really hot that it would burn your hand. Okay, looks like it's done. See how dry the clothes are. Okay, so it seems to be pretty dry. There is maybe one or two that are slightly wet, but most of it is dry. So 10 minutes was short enough for the clothes that I had. If you had more clothes, you'd probably want to set it for longer, for like 20 minutes, and at a higher, the hottest setting. But yeah, most of it is dry enough for me. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.